expands presence in Bengaluru with the grand launch of its Surgipur clinic, elevating expert care through innovation and personalized expertise. Inaugurated by Bengaluru's beloved voice, Rapid Rashmi, a celebration of beauty and cutting-edge dermatological care. Kaya, India's leading brand in dermatological care, is thrilled to announce the opening of its 11th clinic in Bengaluru and the 78th clinic across India. Located in the vibrant Surjapur area, the new clinic is equipped with 5 fully serviced rooms for a wide range of skin, hair, and body treatments, along with dedicated consultation and dermatologist rooms. Kaya offers the most comprehensive bouquet of services designed to help consumers combat lifestyle, age, and geography-induced concerns. As India's population progresses not only economically but socially, these services are conceived to address a wide range of issues, including anti-aging, acne solutions, pigmentation, hair care, and body contouring. For body contouring, Kaya provides non-invasive treatments like cool sculpting. The clinic also offers innovative and effective hair care solutions, including PRP therapy and anti-aging, which promote enhanced hair growth and thickness, delivering visible results. Skin rejuvenation has become one of the most sought-after lifestyle-related services, with Kaya offering advanced treatments such as facials, chemical peels, Q-switch laser treatments, and dermafrac, all aimed at revitalizing the skin. In addition to these services, Kaya is the first chain of clinics in India to introduce autologous exosomes, MCT, an advanced treatment that uses the body's own cells to promote hair regeneration. This breakthrough treatment is a game-changer for clients seeking non-invasive, scientifically backed solutions to rejuvenation and repair. Every treatment at Kaya is meticulously personalized by expert dermatologists, ensuring safe, effective, and tailored results. Dr. Veena Praveen, dermatologist and head medical advisor, South, at Kaya Limited, stated, "In a city like Bengaluru, where people juggle busy schedules and face environmental challenges, maintaining healthy skin, hair, and body becomes a real struggle. Here, we are committed to understanding each person's unique needs and crafting solutions that make a real difference. With world-class care, the latest technologies, and a team dedicated to listening and delivering, we ensure that every client experiences a true transformation." Rapid Rashmi, guest of honor, added, "Today, people are more informed about their skincare and hair care needs, and that's where brands like Kaya come in." With over 20 years of experience, Kaya offers expert solutions that focus on delivering real, visible results. It's not about following a new routine, it's about achieving lasting improvements backed by years of trusted expertise.
I'm Dr. Aparna Santhanam. I'm the Head of Medical Operations and New Service Development at Kaya. Delighted to be here today to open our 11th clinic in Bangalore and our 78th clinic in India at Sarjapur, one of the most bustling areas of Bangalore. Kaya opened 22 years ago and we are pioneers in skincare across the country. We've brought many new firsts to this country, including laser hair removal, in recent times HIFU. We were also the first to do injectables on a wide basis across India. We have more than 140 doctors, dermatologists who work with us delivering these services. We are not only excellent in delivering services but also in diagnosing and understanding Indian skin. And we have developed our own AI app, which is artificial intelligence powered, called Clear AI, which is basically to diagnose your skin and to be able to tell you exactly what is customized and needed for your skin. Kaya has been associated with skin for the last 22 years, but we are also experts in hair because we have the best dermatologists and some of the most cutting-edge treatments. So right from diagnosing what kind of hair loss you have, both for men and women, for younger people and older people in the country, and delivering every service, every non-surgical interventional service in hair loss we provide in Kaya. We also extended into body a few years ago, and we provide body services both for body contouring and for fat loss. All of these services are delivered and supervised by dermatologists in every clinic that we have. And I invite all of you to come and experience our services. You cannot be in safer and better hands except when you come to Kaya. So very happy to be here with all of you today.
Any special treatments are
So we are launching some extremely new treatments for the first time in India. In Bangalore, we're going to be launching something called MCT treatment, which is Metacell Plasma treatment for hair loss. It is an extremely effective treatment. It's useful for young and older hair loss. Hair loss is a very big problem in India, not just for women but also for men. We find more and more because of stress, because of water quality, and because of a whole bunch of other reasons which are hormonal and lifestyle related. Everybody is losing hair. And while we have treatments, we still don't have a cutting edge treatment. And this operates on something called regenerative medicine. So we take your own blood cells and we concentrate them and re-inject the autosomes back into you. And these exosomes are called autologous exosomes, which then stimulate new hair growth. It's going to be available very soon in Bangalore. I'll invite all of you to try it.
So you mean to say stem cell therapy?
So this is called autologous exosome. Stem cell therapy is basically something that provides growth factors to you. Here we concentrate the exosomes, which are like signaling cells. Exosomes signal messages from one cell to the other. And when you inject it back into the scalp, they can rejuvenate hair much better than any other service in the market.
Using AI, right?
No, AI is for your diagnosis. We use AI to diagnose your exact type of skin problem, and then the doctors will deliver a customized treatment program to you, which then they will deliver themselves or supervised by trained therapists.
How many centers you have in Bangalore?
This is 11th center, yeah.
Will it grow or it will grow naturally?
Hair fall will reduce and you'll also see new hair growth.
Ma'am, other products are clinically proven. Why only Kaya?
So there are many reasons why only Kaya. Like I said, we were pioneers. 22 years ago, we came into this field when no one knew what it was. We are grounded and based on the science of dermatology. So you will not see any service being given to you before a dermatologist sees you in Kaya. We also have the maximum number of qualified dermatologists, more than 140. In fact, we recently had an all-India conference for all our dermatologists. And we believe in continuously upskilling, learning, educating our dermatologists and bringing in cutting-edge treatment. So it's the combination of technology and qualified dermatologists which makes Kaya unique.